It was the reign of King John, where citizens of England used to be prosecuted in arbitrary was with listening to them. In those days, there were three classes: 1 King John and his high-ranking allies and officials, 2nd barons. The third were poor people of England, who were powerless and were treated below than the animals. Then it came the day of June 15th, when King John was forced to sign a document called Magna Carta. Prior to that, barons united hands with the people, and they all gathered day and night in the streets of London. The arbitrary herachy was ended, and it was declared that no one is above the law. The years passed, and this world say emergence of England as world power. The glory day of England gradually ended after Second World War. The America arose as new power. People of Russia stood against Tsar monarch. That was the USSR, which came in front of the USA.